Alright, we've got a brand new package in from Amazon today. This is the Govee. They are Wi-Fi LED bulbs, multicolor. It's got a brightness of about 800 lumens it shows here, and it does work with your Alexa as well as your Google Home Assistant. Here's the back of the packaging, just in case there's anything that you wanted to look at. 9 watts of power is what it estimates to use. So you get 2 light bulbs that look like this little guy here. Nice heavy solid feel with a little bit of a fragile top. Could break easy. Otherwise, pretty decent, especially for the price. And the user manual. And this is just a short comparison. We have the Govee Color Wi-Fi LED. This is a GE Direct Connect white bulb. And this is one of the older Philips Hue color light bulbs. I know they've changed their design a little bit over the years, but this is just a rough comparison size-wise for people that have any of those. And it has a very unique way of doing things. When you screw it into the light socket, you have to flick the light switch on and off 5 times in a row. Once you do that, you'll see the light will actually blink on and off by itself continuously. That means it's now in pairing mode. So then you download the Govee app, create an account or log in if you already have one. Select the exact light bulb type that you have. H6003 is what I have, so that's what I would select in the menu there. Then it will ask you to jump over to the Wi-Fi and connect to that light bulb. All right, so we've got the Govee light all configured up. Let's take a look at the app here. This is what it looks like under the color tab, if you will. You could select a whole range of the rainbow there. The fun ones are actually under scene. So right now it's on blink. And as you can see, it completely turns off, turns back on, and blinks different colors. Energetic, kind of just a strobe type of light where it goes through all the different colors that it can do. This one is heartbeat and just goes like the pulse of a heart. This one is candlelight and it has a little bit of a flicker, kind of like what you would expect from a flame on a candle. Here is romantic. It's a nice slow transition between some softer colors like purples, pinks, reds. This one's breathe. Here's gradient, and this one, instead of blinking or pulsing, it just slowly transitions into other colors. And the last one here is read. It's a just simple, nice, bright light. That's all you have under scenes.